Assalamu alaikum dear students. Now this is the last special type of the quadratic equation. In this, when you got this type of quadratic equation and or mathematical expression, mathematical equation, whatever you say, because there is a equality sign, so we will say mathematical equation. So we need to add up these constants to make it equal, like 7 plus 1 8, 5 plus 3 8. So these are the, we have to rearrange these variables, x plus 1 with x plus 7, and then x plus 3 with x plus 5 plus 16 equal to 0. Now we need to multiply these two together and the other two together. So x to multiply with x plus 7 plus 1 to also multiply with x plus 7. So we have to multiply this x also with both this x plus 5 and plus 3 to multiply with x plus 5 and 16 with 0. Now x square plus 7x plus 1x plus 7, and here x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 3 5s are 15 and plus 16 equals 0. Now further simplifying, 7 plus 1 8x, 7, and here also 5 plus 3 8x plus 15 plus 16 equal to 0. Now this x square plus 8x and x square plus 8x, let's say this x square plus 8x equal to y, putting its value y plus 7 into here also y plus 15 plus 16 equal 0. Now first of all y to multiply with y plus 15 and then 7 to multiply with y plus 15 equal to 0. So y square plus 15y and 7y plus 105 plus 16 equal to 0. Now we got here y square, adding it up, 22y plus and 121 equal to 0. 121 when we 11s are 121, so we are splitting it into 11y plus 11y plus 121 equal to, we did factorize, so taking common y and y plus 11 when taking common, again y plus 11, we got y plus 11 and the leftover is also y plus 11. So basics are same, with power is gonna add, we take square root equal to 0, y equal to minus 11. Now we will put the value of y, which is x square, that is y is equal to minus 11, that is x square plus 8x minus 11 on the other side plus 11. And now we will further solve it by the completing this, by either completing the square method or by factorization. So we do it by completing the square method here. Okay, using that method, the coefficient of x square is nothing here, that is 1, no need to trim that further. Plus 11 is the second step, to take it to the other side, it become minus 11. And now the coefficient of x is 8, its half is 4, so 4 square must be added to both sides, 4 square, and here as well. So this is the a plus b whole square, this is the expansion of the 16 minus 11, so x plus 4 whole square is equal to 5. And now taking square root on both sides, this 2 will cancel, and plus minus 5 also having square root, x equal to minus 4 plus minus 5 square root, and that is the answer to that question. So hope you understood this question, you like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.